Hi, Taylor. Are you a walker today or are you a crawler today? I don't know. What do you think? That looks like a walker's face to me. Yeah. Oh, are you gonna walk? You gonna walk somewhere? Uh-oh. Where are you gonna walk? Where are you gonna walk? Are you gonna walk to me? Are you gonna walk to me? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You're walking! Oh my gosh! Good job. Good job. You wanna walk to the gate and get your balance there? Ooh! It's hard to get your balance on a swinging gate, huh? Let me hold the gate. And then maybe you can get the balance. Hi. Can you step over the ledge? Oh, that's a smart kid. Alright, come here. Come here. Come here. You can walk. Woo! Boom. Hi, come here. Take my hand. Oh, you're gonna want to come to Daddy. I like enough this video recording. Why don't you help me walk? Alright.